Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here. I'm excited today to do an unboxing of a subscription service just for us, that working woman. And it is the Workspace Spark subscription box. So let's get into the box. So friends, I have to admit, I have had this box for a minute. The problem was I got the box around the same time I moved. And as you all know, things, you're busy with the move and everything. And I am just now getting around to not only getting channels back here on At Work with Nikki for you, but I knew that I wanted to come to my At Work with Nikki family and share here first. And so that is why it has been on hold for a minute. So the Workspace Spark, I did a podcast interview with them about a year or so ago, and I love this company. They are just just genuinely nice. And the premise behind their subscription box is to really give you things that help you beautify your work life. And so, with my book, Beautifully Organized, I am all about that. And if you have not grabbed my book, Beautifully Organized, definitely jump on it. I'll put it in the link in the description box below. I'm so excited that they also, for one of their subscription boxes last year, they did put my book, Beautifully Organized, in their subscription box. So that was so super exciting. So let's break into the box here and see what we have. Now, this is not, because I told you I'm running late, I'm running late. It is not the current box. So definitely, this is not the current one. So you definitely, if you want to, again, get this box to bring some joy into your work life, the link's down below. So they have a little card here for me because they sent this to me, and I thank them for that. I love it. I love it. Okay, so they gave me a beautiful note, and I'm so excited about that. And I'm really excited about getting into this box. So the first thing I see is by iCloth, and it's small screen and lens cleaner. Always can use that. Again, love stuff that I can use. I also love with subscription boxes, I love when they put consumables in, those things that you use it and it's done, so that you don't have to accumulate a lot of things, but so that it really is a plus. Then we have a card here, training sessions, and it looks like they have a card here. Oh my goodness, I'm on the card. I did not know that. Oh, this is so nice. So now they have, I guess this is a card that they put in every box where you learn about new resources or new people that can help you in your career or work goals, or office or anything. So on one side they have Beautifully Organized at Work. They have my book. I love that. And then on the other side they have two other beautiful, absolutely gorgeous women. They have Tammy Mifflin, and they have Natasha Ferguson. So Natasha is authenticity, I think that's what it says, in leadership. Organizations that foster authentic behavior and more likely to have engaged and motivated employees. And then we have Tammy Mifflin, New Year, New Goals, Setting Career Goals for the New Year. And it looks like her website is lightedlanterns.com. And then Natasha's website is Klatch, KLATCH.net. So definitely check that out. I love this. Okay, this is neat. Then we have another card in here, 50% off your first box when you join for 6 or 12 months. So nice coupon. And it says the only subscription and gift box focused on working professional, they say professional men and women and their climb to the top. And I think it's so nice to just do things for ourselves sometimes, especially in two things, just to have a nice treat, and then also for ourselves, but then also to learn about new products out there that can really be helpful to us. And I always find that if you get, especially this box here, if you get things that you cannot use, you can use them. If you manage a team or you're an entrepreneur, you can use these as gifts to give out at your team meeting, and things like that. And you can even do this as a gift that you give out at your team meeting, like get the box and then just give the entire box as a kind of gift at the team meeting, or do some type of icebreaker or something like that, or the team member that excelled for the month, or whatever you set up. But this could be a great thing to give. And so in this box, it says each month you'll receive 4 to 5 unique and trendy items delivered monthly. The subscription box is delivered monthly, and you get things like desk items, tech tools, office supplies, career books, and more. Plus a bonus, get a career training advice as well. Love it. Oh, so on the back here, oh, it just has their all their information things there. All right, so what is the second thing that we have here? We have a bag. Oh, now you know I'm all about this. A bag hook, and it's by a company called, is it Bobino? Bobino? You guys know I will mess up a word, right? Oh, I will so use this. So this is one of those like the handbag hooks, but this is you can use for your work bag. I love that it seems very durable, because sometimes you can get the thinner ones that are easier to carry, but this would be great to put in my work bag. Yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. Also, when you go to conferences and things like that, you know how you have your backpack? You can hook this to it. I'm looking at the instructions on the back. You can hook this to it and then hook it to your chair, so that if you go to get something to drink or something like that, it kind of locks your bag to your chair. Very nice. I like that. Okay, so the next thing that is in the subscription box, oh, a nice read. We have Ego is the Enemy by Ryan Holiday. He's a New York Times bestselling author of Stillness is the Key, and he's an international bestseller. And so let's see, what is this book about? It's wrecked the careers of promising young geniuses. It's evaporated great fortunes and run companies to the ground. I guess it's talking about ego. It's made adversity unbearable and turned struggle into shame. Its name, ego. And it is the enemy of ambition, of success, of resilience. I like it already. Okay, this is going to be a good read. Okay, this is one to throw in the work bag. Love it, love that. Also, I have a little, it says beloved box. This is a calming oil. It's the perfect blend to create an atmosphere of calm. And so it's a little card with some oil. Nice little bonus there. I like that. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh, okay, now this is going right in my planner. As soon as I finish this video, it has little priority and don't forget sticky notes. Very cute. Love this. And again, these are consumables. Like, this is something that once I use it, it's gone, but I can use it. You know what I'm saying? So I love that the box has a combination of those things. The next thing, oh, and it's in blue. You know, blue has been my color lately. We have this password jotter journal. Oh, it's a password journal, huh? Let's open up and see what we got. There were, so, oh, nice. So you can keep all of your passwords. It's got this little color coded, just like a directory. I like that. Very neat, very compact. And if you like me, I like to write down my passwords. I'm old school like that. So this is really cute. This is really nice. Password keeper. So as you can see, there are things that you know you really can use. It's got some good stuff in here. Ooh, and you know what I really like about this company and about the subscription box is it's very organizational based. Like, it's a lot of the things I'm seeing are focused on, you know, like the hook and the desk organizers. They're focused on organization. So, you know, they got me with this. These are beautiful. These are kind of drawer organizers, or you can even sit these, as cute as these are, you could sit these right up on your desk to store things like your readers, because you know I need a place with those readers, your pens, any desk accessories. It's in the white, but I love that the interior of the organizers, they go together, but they all have a different design. Like, you have the stripe with the polka dot, and then you have the gold. So that really can be cute in a desk drawer. So that's really cute. So again, useful things. These are so useful. Okay, so I see another card here, and this is for the female hustle at glassladder.co. And reduce and reuse. This box was made from recycled material. Please continue to cycle by reusing this box and recycling. And then it has more information. There's a website. They also used eco-friendly ink and vegan materials. Oh, that's so good. So good. Okay, love that. And I guess that, I don't know if that's the owner of the company, but that's really nice. Oh, we got something down in here. Some. Ooh, you guys know. Well, let's start with this first because I want to get the little one here. Let me get the little one. We have some pens. We have 2 pens. Always can use pens. A consumable again. And let's see how they write here. Let's give it a go. Oop, let's use a tester. I'm going to use the envelope and test it out here and see how it looks. Very nice. Oh, okay, this is definitely a pen that you can use in your planner or use during your work day. Both are very nice writing pens. Love it, okay? And isn't it just such a fun moment, right? Okay, so lastly, we have something neat here. You guys know I love a bag or a tote or something, and this is look like what we got. What is this? Oh, this is, okay. This is by, remember I read the card about for the female hustler, Glass Ladder? This is from Glass Ladder, and that's why it was saying that, everything is eco-friendly, vegan materials. Love it. Okay, so let's open this and see what this baby is. I love the color. It's like that rich teal. Oh, this is so cute. This is like a portfolio, but I see it as a mobile office because you have a place to put your pens, your pads, your cards. Oh, this is so cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You can adjust. It has 2 different points to adjust the pocket, but how cute is that? I'm gonna have to check out this website. This is very cute. It feels good too. I guess it's vegan leather. It feels really good though. It feels just very soft. It's nice. Oh, how cute! And I think that's the last thing we got in the box. And I tell you, this box was it was nice. It had some nice things. You had a nice read. You got some organizers in here. You got some products that you can use to kind of keep the desk clean and keep your screen clean. Got planner items for the planner. So I think that it is just such a well-rounded box. Oh, wait a minute. It says, before you open, whip out your phone, and here's some tips for the perfect unboxing. Oh, okay, they put that on there. Oh, they just got all kinds of tips. Tips for entrepreneurs, tips for influencers, tips for that working woman or that working man. So I loved it. I loved it. I loved everything in the box. I think it's such a fun box, especially if you want to just give yourself a fun break during your work month. And so I'll definitely put the link down below. And thanks for joining me today. I do want to remind any of my aspiring professional organizers, if you're interested in becoming a professional organizer, you love organizing at home, but you don't know where to start to transfer that into a business, my master course is the way to go. I'll link that down below because I take you from the beginning to the end on how to not only set up your business, but how to work with clients and how to organize as a business. Because as I always say, there's a difference in organizing for yourself and organizing as a professional organizer in a business. So friends, definitely check out the Workspace Spark subscription box. The link is down below. Have a beautiful day, my friends. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.